In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write Arduino code with ChatGPT in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to coding or an experienced developer looking to speed up your workflow, using AI can be a valuable tool to streamline your coding process. Let's dive right in and explore how you can create Arduino code efficiently using ChatGPT. First things first, you'll need to open ChatGPT. This step might seem straightforward, but it's essential to start by having access to the AI platform where the magic happens. Once you're in a comfortable working environment with ChatGPT open, we are ready to move on. Remember, the key advantage of ChatGPT in this context is its ability to provide quick and intelligent coding assistance, so make sure you're ready to harness its full potential. Next, you need to create a new chat. Think of this as opening a fresh document in a word processor. A new chat will give you a clean slate to work with and help the AI focus on your current project without any distractions from previous interactions. This clarity is crucial as it ensures that the AI's responses are tailored specifically to your current needs. Now that your chat is set up, it's time to define your project. This step is about clearly articulating what you want to achieve with your Arduino project. Be specific about the components you're using, the desired functionalities, and any constraints or particular conditions. The more detailed and precise you are here, the better ChatGPT can assist you in generating relevant and effective code. Once your project is clearly defined, ask ChatGPT to generate the code for you. Here, you're leveraging the AI's understanding of programming to quickly produce functional code snippets tailored to your project's specifications. This is where your initial clarity and context come into play, as a well-defined request will lead to better and more useful code generation. As ChatGPT generates the code, ensure that it remains structured and concise. While AI is a powerful tool, it's important to guide it to maintain readable and efficient code. Pay attention to how the code is organized, making sure it adheres to good programming practices, and adjusting or requesting revisions from ChatGPT if anything seems off. After obtaining the code, it's a great idea to ask ChatGPT to explain it. This step is all about understanding what each part of the code does, ensuring you know how the code will perform in your Arduino setup. An explanation enhances your grasp of the project, helping you troubleshoot any potential issues effectively. Finally, upload the generated code to your Arduino board to see if it works. This moment of truth will not only confirm the accuracy of the code, but also highlight areas that may need tweaking. If the code doesn't work as expected, you can always revisit the chat with ChatGPT for further refinement and troubleshooting. By following these steps, you'll find that writing Arduino code with the aid of ChatGPT can be both an efficient and insightful process. Happy coding, and enjoy the newfound power of integrating AI into your development workflow.